Can you trust that free credit score? A deep dive into Credit Karma. Ever applied for a loan and gotten hit with a number that seems to come out of thin air? Your credit score. This magical 3-digit number can make the difference between loan approvals, dream apartments, and even insurance rates. But how much do you really know about the score you're given? Let's face it, credit can be confusing. There are bureaus, reports, different scoring models. It's enough to make your head spin. That's where services like Credit Karma come in. They offer free credit score monitoring and reports, a beacon of hope in a world of financial mystery. But with something this valuable being offered for free, a question naturally arises: can you trust Credit Karma? The short answer: it's complicated. Let's untangle the web of credit scoring and see if Credit Karma lives up to its promises. Breaking down Credit Karma, the good stuff. First things first, Credit Karma isn't some shady back alley credit dealer. They're a legitimate company that provides a valuable service. Here's how they shine. Free credit monitoring. Credit Karma pulls your credit information from 2 of the 3 major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. This means you can regularly check your credit report for errors and potential fraud, all without spending a dime. Early detection of these issues can save you a lot of hassle down the line. Educational tools. Credit Karma isn't just about throwing numbers at you. They offer a plethora of educational resources to help you understand credit, how it works, and how to improve your score. This financial literacy is empowering, especially for those new to the credit game. Easy access. Let's face it, convenience is king. Credit Karma makes tracking your credit score a breeze. Their app and website are user-friendly, allowing you to monitor your progress and access your information anytime, anywhere. So, Credit Karma offers a clear value proposition. But before you jump in and download the app, there are some key things to consider. Beyond the free, what Credit Karma doesn't tell you. There's a reason why Credit Karma services are free. Here's what they might not be upfront about. The score discrepancy. The credit score you see on Credit Karma is most likely a Vantage score. While Vantage score is a legitimate scoring model, it's not the one lenders use most often. The industry standard is FICO scores, and these can differ from Vantage scores sometimes significantly. So, while Credit Karma gives you a good idea of your credit health, it might not be the exact number a lender sees. Limited bureau coverage. Credit Karma only pulls data from 2 bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. Experian, the 3rd major credit bureau, isn't included. This means you might be missing a piece of the credit puzzle, potentially overlooking errors or negative marks. The upsell is real. Remember, Credit Karma is a business. While their core services are free, they make money by recommending credit cards and other financial products. These recommendations might not always be in your best interest, so be mindful and do your own research before signing up for anything. So, can you trust Credit Karma? The verdict. Here's the deal. Credit Karma can be a valuable tool, but it shouldn't be your only one. It's a great way to monitor your credit report, track progress, and learn about financial health. However, for a complete picture, you'll need to consider getting your free annual credit report from each bureau directly. This ensures you have a holistic view of your credit standing and the scores lenders actually see. Making Credit Karma work for you. Here are some tips to maximize your Credit Karma experience. Use it as a starting point, not the end game. Regularly check your credit reports directly from all 3 bureaus. Don't rely solely on the Credit Karma score. Understand FICO scores and their importance. Be cautious about credit card recommendations. Research products independently. Credit Karma can be a helpful tool, but remember, knowledge is power. By understanding its limitations and using it strategically, you can leverage Credit Karma to take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.